Quantum computers are incredibly powerful but also incredibly fragile. The tiniest disturbance can scramble their calculations. This tutorial explores how scientists protect quantum information from errors without ever copying it or peeking at it directly. That's a rule with no equivalent in classical computing, and solving it is one of the biggest challenges in the field.
Here's what makes this so fascinating in practice. Today's best error protection method, called the surface code, works reasonably well, but demands an enormous number of physical building blocks, potentially millions, just to run a single reliable calculation. Newer approaches, called quantum low-density parity check codes, could slash that number dramatically, making powerful quantum computers far more practical and affordable to build.
Researchers are now racing to test these smarter codes on real hardware, while also building faster error-correcting software, even using machine learning to help. It's an exciting frontier, and every breakthrough brings us closer to quantum computers that are truly ready for the real world.